Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on NZDUSD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that NZDUSD currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that NZDUSD currently on the monthly highly bearish. If we see that previous monthly candlestick pattern, we saw that there was a long week candle on the monthly. Now, this monthly candle has crossed almost quite a few monthly high, so it has liquidity crossing this monthly 20 MA. Once the market closed below this level, we saw that this monthly candle had a strong rejection towards the downside. Now, with this rejection, currently NZDUSD is in this monthly support level, and we could see that NZDUSD may continue to break to the downside to create a new lower low. So there is a probability for NZDUSD to continue to drop in this direction. If we look at the weekly perspective, we can see that previous week NZDUSD has formed a middleman. Previous week a doji followed by a middleman. We saw that this week after a little pullback, the prices started to drop. As we can see that this is the weekly support level, we can expect now NZDUSD to create a new lower low to test this support, or even breaking this support to create a new lower low in this direction. So from the monthly, weekly, we see that NZDUSD currently bearish. Now if we look at the daily perspective on NZDUSD, we can see that from the daily time frame, this market also showing strong bearish price action. With this daily impulse, the price has created this move followed by this correction, and there is a long week candle on the daily, strong rejection followed by another correction. Now we have seen that in the last impulse NZDUSD from the daily, back to back 2 days of narrow candles showing a very weaker response from the buyers. Now as a result, today we saw that NZDUSD sellers started to sell. The price currently below this daily support level, and highly likely that we could see continuation towards the downside for long term perspective. As NZDUSD news is coming later this week, we could see that this instrument is getting very volatile. As we see, the market started to drop, and we can expect the market to create a new lower low from daily perspective as well. From the intraday perspective, we saw that there was a multiple manipulation here, strong liquidity grab during the NFP. With this movement has broken this swing high where there is a high liquidity, and also tested this significant support level here as a resistance, and we saw that from that level NZDUSD had a rejection. Now we saw previous couple of sessions the prices started to drop by creating series of lower high and lower low. We'll be waiting for a retest. As you can see, the price already has broken this important level. There is a support here, long-term trend line support here as well, and also there is a support here. This is the neckline of this pattern here, has broken down. We can expect a retest of this support as a resistance, and we can expect continuation towards the downside. As we see that NZDUSD sellers selling this market, we will be waiting for a pullback to the upside, especially if we see that the price is testing this support as a resistance. We will consider going short on NZDUSD with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.